Cyfle cyntaf Ryan Harrington I daflu'r bêl yn hir tuag at Wild. Mae'n cael ei giro yn yr awyr gan Mills Evans a Mwandwe'n clirio. Dyma Disney I Cei Connah. Ond mae'n colli'r meddiant I Mwandwe. Mwandwe sy'n gyflym. Ond Disney yn dod nôl ato fe. Dim llawer o gymorth gan Mwandwe. Mae'n gorfod oedi. Mae'n mynd i'r llawr. Ni'n chwarae mlaen. Dyma Callum Roberts. Mae'n tynnu'r bêl yn ôl ac ergyd isel. Ac yna mae mewn. Robles sydd yn sgorio. Louis Robles i'r Drenewydd. Smonach yn amddiffyn Cei Connah yn gynnar yn y gêm. Callum Roberts yn tynnu'r bêl yn ôl. Ergyd nerthol yn methu cael ei chlirio gan Cei Connah. A Louis Robles yn crymanu'r bêl yn bert I gornel uchaf rhwyd. Gwaith da gan Disney y ryddhau Franklin. Franklin, ni'n chwarae mlaen, tacl hwyr yna fe. Kenny yw hwn. Kenny I ddod â'r sgôr yn gyfartal. O, reit ar draws y cwrt bach. Cyfle gwych I Kenny I sgorio I gôl gynta i'w glwb newydd Cei Connah. Tafliad wedi chymryd yn sydyn. Disney. Bratley. Cyfle I wrth ymosod. Rushton yn cyrraedd y bêl gynta yn rhedeg yn uniongyrchol at Horan. Horan, dwi ddim yn gallu cadw lan gyda Rushton. Rushton, dim cymorth ar hyn o bryd os angen cymorth. O, mae'r bêl dros y bar. Wel, Nick Rushton yn mynd un ffordd ac yna y ffordd arall. Nath e edrych o gwmpas yn gymorth neb yno ac ar ei drod fe ar gydnerthol ond dros y bar. Ond bydd rhaid bod Neil Gibson yn rwystredig iawn gyda'i ymysodwyr. Dyma i'n dod. Wild. Wild hanner cyfle. Ac yna'r ergyd gan Horan. A mae Drenewydd yn methu clirio ar ergyd am gôl gan Joe Malkin yr eilydd. Mae wedi bod yn amddiffyn arwrol trwy gydol y prynhawn gan y Robinied. Malkin blaen trod iddi. Ond Dave Jones y tu ôl iddi. Amser yn rhedeg mas i'r tîm yn yr ail safle. Bêl yn cael ei chrymanu'n uchel tuag at Harrington, nôl gan Nash. Nash eto yn uchel i'r awyr, pennau mynd I fyny, Malkin. Malkin nôl at Williams, mewn i'r canol, a'r bêl yn gwyro. Oddi ar Aaron Williams i'r rhwyd. O, mor greulon ar y Robinied. Mae Cei Connah wedi dod â'r sgôr yn gyfartal. A falle bod wedi cyffwrdd â Michael Wild ar y ffordd mewn ac o ganlyniad gyda munud yn weddill. Un yma ar Barclaydd.
The goal that we've conceded is really cruel. I think it's 2 or 3 deflections and gone past our goalkeeper. But look, really pleased in terms of a defensive shape, in terms of an offensive shape. I thought we caused them problems today with our shape, and like I said, I never really thought they were going to break us down, and it took a goal which had 2 or 3 deflections to kind of get them back in it. But I thought we were just going to hang on towards the end there. You know, we were clearing everything, and then we carried the threat on the counter attack. But a little bit disappointed with a couple of passes that we made when the pitch was open for us and there was space there to go in, get that second goal, or at least force a chance for the second goal. And we were a little bit sloppy.
I thought we dominated territory. I thought we dominated possession. I thought Newtown would always offer a threat on the, on the counter attack if we didn't look after the ball at times. They've got a number of players who can take the ball at the pitch at speed on the counter attack against us. They scored from it, and I just felt that today we were very good up until the final third. It's been a bit of a story this season, so I sound like a broken record when I say it, but we've got to improve our final third play. It's as simple as that, because we get into so many creating opportunities, and potentially we're playing a different way that we're getting more opportunities than we have previously as a football club. But if we don't take those opportunities, then we're not going to win enough games of football.
And despite perhaps the draw, that point could be crucial at the end of the season. Yeah,
absolutely. And there's nothing like obviously scoring late on in a game to, it changes the impact of it. I felt we were full value for a point. If I'm being completely honest, I felt we deserved all 3. But if they take their chances and you don't take your chances, then that's football. That it doesn't matter what you do between both boxes. It's what you do in the boxes that counts. And Louis Robles has shown his quality, with a quality finish in probably, 2 opportunities they've had, they've scored 1. I think the amount of territory and opportunities we've had, we've not taken those chances. So credit to Newtown, they sat behind the ball, looked to counter attack against us, and we broke them down, but we didn't have the quality to actually go and punish them for that.